Hello friends, this is your Crypto Satz. So welcome to the Martin Indicators new video. So in this video, and before we start, let's see the date. Today's date is 29th June 2020 and it's 12:30 p.m. So okay, so in this today video we will see many people are having doubts whether the Martin Indicators works on TradingView or and whatsoever. So let me tell you one thing first. If they are really banned, so many people are telling that it is banned and it cannot be used in the new accounts. So one thing, let me tell you, if they are really banned, then no one could ever use them, and which is not true. And I have been selling these indicators for past 1 year. So yeah, so today in today's video I will show you creating a new account and giving access to that new account in TradingView, so which will clear you all your doubts that the indicators are deliverable, and you can use to any new indicators, and it will also prove that I'm able to deliver the indicators, because few people are telling that they have been banned and they cannot be used on new accounts and whatsoever. So this will clear all your doubts. So let's move on. So this is a Gmail account. I'm going to create a new Gmail account. So let's start with that. So I'll just name it my name, Crypto Satz. So Crypto Satz not 8 at gmail.com. Password. So next. Oh, 1 second. Oh, it's asking a phone number. So I'll just pause the video for the verification. So yeah, so I have completed the verification. So let's move on to creating it. So I'll just put a random dates. 1970. So yeah, so as you can see, we have successfully created a new trading account, I mean Gmail account. So till that things load up, I'll just show you how to buy them. So you have in my website, this is in the temporary error. Oh, come on. So yeah, so you can see the email ID we created, cryptosats 008 at gmail.com. So it's a new email, so just created just now. So before that, I'll just show you how to place your order. So you can see there are different types of variables available on my website. The website link is in the description, so you just need to select which one you want. So example, in this Martin Indicators bundle of 10, it contains this bundle of Martin Indicators contains the following for lifetime access, which contains Martin Trend Trader, Martin Trend Meter, Martin Stochastic Trend, Martin Momentum Lines, Martin Support or Resistance Zones, Martin long or short zones, Martin trend candles, Martin auto trend line, Martin rise coming, and Martin drop coming. So you get all the 10 indicators of Martin, and the best thing is you can use it all the 10 indicators on the same chart layout, and with the free version of TradingView. So I'll show you that. So this is our tradingview.com. So I'm just signing up, and username Crypto Satz not 8. So this will be Crypto Satz. So I'll just, so this is the email which we created just now. So I'll just show you again, cryptosats 008 at gmail.com. So traffic lights. There are no fire hydrants. Okay. So the activation link has been sent. Just check. Yeah, confirm. Activate account. So yeah, our account has been created. So oh, Crypto Satz not 8. So let's go to profile. So yeah, you can see join just now. So the account was created just now, and today's date again I'll show you once, 29th June 2020, 12:35 p.m. So yeah, and you can see there's nothing in the chart. You don't have any charts, and so it's blank. It's totally blank. You can see nothing in indicators or anything. So public library, my scripts, volume profile, there's nothing. So I'll just show you a live access on this account. So you can again I'll show you the profile. So you just confirm yourself. So Crypto Satz 008, I'll show you the settings too, so that you can see the email ID. Where's the email address? Satz 008. So yeah, account notification security. So yeah, so this is a new account. You can see joined just 1 minute ago. This is my profile. So I'll just pause it now so I can show you the access, because so yeah, we are back now. So this is our thing, and I'll just go to the charts. Let's close this one. So this is GBP USD chart. So you can see again I'll show you the time and date. Date is 29 June 2020 and the time is 12:37 p.m. right now. So you can see all the 10 indicators on a free version of TradingView, so which is showing Martin rise coming, Martin drop coming, Martin support or resistance lines, zones. You can change the settings. I'll also show the settings. So inputs you can change it at minor, standard, major zone, and style you can change. Like if I change it to reset settings, it will show the settings. So you can see Martin support or resistance zones. Next one is Martin auto trend line. So you can see this, and Martin momentum lines, as you can see, Martin trend trader with the original. This is the original Martin indicators. So with the trend codes you can see, and Martin long or short zones, Martin trend candles. All the uptrend is painted on green candles, and all the downtrends are painted on red candles, which clears your noise and gives you a clear picture on the market structure. And next one, so these are the 8 indicators, and other two is Martin stochastic trend, which is in here. You can see this, and Martin trend meter. So all the 10 indicators have been delivered to this new account. I'll go to profile. So you can see it shows joined 5 minutes ago, Crypto Satz not 8, which we created just now, this ID. And I'll just go to again charts, and I will show you that they have been successfully installed on this TradingView account. So you can see all the 8 indicators, sorry 10 indicators. I'll just show you all at once. So rise coming, you just need to change the settings. You will come to know how to do this when you see the tutorials. So yeah, so that's it. So what you need to do if you want these indicators is go to the website, which is in the description. Whichever you want, you can say, example, if you are selecting the bundle of 10, which includes this, just add to cart, go to your checkout page, and you can select the PayPal option, which is the safest way to buy anything. So it would be safe. We have a seller buyer protection in this. So you can just and click buy now, place your PayPal email, and you can just buy now, and you can place your order. After placing your order, what you have to do is either you mail me on this mail ID, your TradingView ID, or on this my Telegram ID. You can send me your TradingView username, so I will get you the access for the lifetime, maximum within 2 hours. If I'm not asleep, I'll do it right away if I'm online. So this is my YouTube tutorials. You have a lot of indicator strategy, so how to follow them, and this is my Telegram channel. So another thing I wanted to say is, so these are the users who have successfully purchased from me. So I have posted in my Telegram channel. So here is a guy, he purchased. So I whenever someone purchases from me, I ask them for a screenshot and a message if they have successfully received. So you can see, and you can see this is one, this guy, this guy, this guy, so on. So there are like lots of people who have purchased from me, and this is my Telegram channel. So you can join, you get lots of live updates and results and everything. So this is my channel, Martin Indicators, links in the description. So that's it for now, guys. So hope you guys, your doubts are cleared. So they are not such that they have been banned or something like that. So don't get misled and just get them for cheap price, because if you go and buy this from the author, this bundle of 10 will around cost you around $1,200 to $1,300. So I'm just charging you the damn cheap thing. So that's it for the now, guys. Thank you, have a nice day, all the best.